we have to study about interest on capital. In this, there is a question mentioned on your screen, that is A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2 with a capital of 6 lakh and 3 lakh respectively. Show the distribution of profit in each of the following alternative cases. Now here, case number 1 mentioned, if the partnership deed is silent to the interest on capital and the profit for the year is R 1,50,000. First of all, we have to prepare a profit and loss appropriation account, particular amount as mentioned on the screen. Solution number 1, case 1. First of all, beta, transfer your profit of 1,50,000 to our profit and loss appropriation account credit side, that is by profit and loss account 1,50,000. From here we have to put the value of this. Is it clear? And after that, question says if partnership deed is silent on the interest on capital. It means बेटा जब पार्टनरशिप डीड साइलेंट होती है इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल पे, देन वी नो नीड टू फाइंड आउट इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल बिकॉज डीड इज साइलेंट. वी ऑलरेडी स्टडीड rules regarding absence of deed, so that in this question no need to find out interest on capital, but we have to divide this 1,50,000 as a profit among two partners, and the ratio is already mentioned in your question. Profit sharing ratio is 3:2. Is it clear, everyone? Now this 1,50,000 should be divided among these two partners in the ratio of their profit sharing, that is 3:2. Means 1,50,000 multiplied by 3 by 5 we get 90,000, and 1,50,000 multiplied by 2 by 5 we get 60,000. By this we able to complete our question number 1. In question number 2, if the partnership deed provide for interest on capital at the rate 8% per annum and loss for the year are 50,000. First of all, in this question loss is given to you, so that we have to put this value this side because it is a loss. We have to write to profit and loss for the year 50,000, 50,000. And remember one thing beta, in this question it says if the partnership deed provide for interest on capital 8%, but remember this, if we incurred loss, here it is loss, it means we incurred loss. In that situation no need to find out interest on capital, so that this 50,000 is directly divided among the two partners in their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2, as a loss. Means by loss transfer to this 50,000 balanced over here, and this 50,000 is divided among A and B in the ratio of 3:2. By this we able to complete our point number 2. In point number 3, if the partnership deed provides for interest on capital at the rate of 8% per annum and the profit for the year are 1,50,000, in this profit is given to you 1,50,000, so that we have to put this value over here by profit and loss appropriation account 1,50,000, and here it is mentioned that interest on capital should be 8%, so we have to find out 8% of 6 lakhs. How? Interest on A's capital is equals to 6 lakh multiplied by 8 by 100, we get 48,000. And in the same manner we find out interest on B's capital is equals to 3 lakh multiplied by 8 by 100, we get 24,000 over here like this, and we added 48,000 and 24,000, we get 72,000. Is it clear? And after that what we have to do? Balance this. 1,50,000 minus 72,000, we get 78,000. close the account, and this 78,000 is a profit. So we have to write over here to profit transferred to A 3 by 5 of 78,000, means 78,000 multiplied by 3 by 5 we get 46,800, and 78,000 multiplied by 2 by 5 we get 31,200. In this way we able to complete our question number 3rd. Now we have to go point number 4. If the partnership did provide interest on capital 8% and the profit for the year is 60,000, okay, we have to write like this. First of all, in profit loss application account, by profit loss account credit side 60,000, okay. And we remembered again in question 8% is given interest on partnership did provide interest on capital at the rate of 8%. But when we find 8% of 6,000 we get 48,000, and 8% of 3 lakh we got 24,000, means total earlier we find out interest on capital 72,000. In this question 72,000 is more than 60,000, मीन्स जो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल आ रहा है निकल करके हमारा सॉल्व करके वो आ रहा है टोटल ए और बी का 72,000, जो कि 60,000 से ज़्यादा है. इन दिस सिचुएशन वी अनएबल टू गिव दैम दैट मच ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन देयर कैपिटल, सो इट इज़ अ डिफरेंट केस. इन दिस we unable to give them interest that much amount because our profit is less than interest amount. So in this case we have to find out the ratio of their interest on capital, means 48,000 and 24,000. The ratio become 2:1, so that we divide this 60,000 among A and B in the ratio of 2:1, that is 40,000 and 20,000. 60,000 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2/3 से आएगा 40,000, 1/3 निकाल लेंगे 60,000 का आएगा 20,000. इज इट क्लियर? तो ये बड़ा एक अलग ही केस है, इसको बोलते हैं हम, यहाँ पे देखिए लिखा भी एक्सप्लेनेशन, द अवेलेबल प्रॉफिट इज 60,000 वेयर एज द इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज 72,000. मतलब ए का 48 और बी का 24. सिंस द प्रॉफिट इज लेस देन द इंटरेस्ट, लेकिन प्रॉफिट तो कितना हमारा है 60,000, हमारा इंटरेस्ट कितना आ रहा है 72,000, तो प्रॉफिट हमारा कम पड़ रहा है. इन दिस सिचुएशन द अवेल प्रॉफिट टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन कैपिटल रेशियो और रेशियो ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल बोथ बीइंग द सेम, मीन्स चाहे इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल के रेशियो पे निकाल दो इसको और चाहे कैपिटल के रेशियो पे निकाल दो, तब पर भी सेम ही आंसर आएगा. नाउ योर थर्ड एंड लास्ट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट इज, if the partnership deed provides for interest on capital at the rate of 8% per annum, even it involve the firm in loss, profit for the year is 60,000. बट देखिए अब यहाँ बोल रहा है कि प्रॉफिट तो हुआ है 60,000 का, मगर इंटरेस्ट तो हमें निकालना ही पड़ेगा. इवन इट इन्वॉल्व द फर्म इन लॉस, मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है, फोर्सफुली इट सेज दैट इट इज़ अ चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट, मतलब प्रॉफिट हो या लॉस हो उससे हमें मतलब नहीं है. इन दिस सिचुएशन वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट एंड अलॉट इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल टू द पार्टनर, सो दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस 60,000 इज मेंशन ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ द आंसर, दैट इज प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. बाय प्रॉफिट बिफोर इंटरेस्ट, प्रॉफिट फॉर द ईयर इज 60,000 एंड इंटरेस्ट वी ऑल नो 6 लाख था ए का कैपिटल, उसका आएगा 8% 48,000. बी का था कैपिटल 3 लाख, उसका होगा 8,000 8% 24,000. 48,000 प्लस 24,000 इज इक्वल्स टू 72,000. टोटल ऑफ दिस हेयर इट इज 60,000, इट इज 72,000. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू वैल्यूज मीन्स 72,000 minus 60,000 become 12,000. And here when balancing we have to write by loss transfer to A and B. तो जो उनका बेटा कैपिटल रेशियो, जो उनका प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो था 3:2, उस 3:2 में इस 12,000 को बांट देंगे. मीन्स ए का जो आंसर आएगा वो कैसे आएगा, 12,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3/5 वी गेट 7,200, और जो बी का अमाउंट है वो कैसे आएगा बेटा, 12,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2/5 वी गेट 4,800। इसका टोटलिंग ये है कि बाई दिस वे वी एबल टू डू इट सो।